Hello and welcome to this tour of a 2-bedroom in Creek Beach Sunset. I'm going to take you through to the balcony and tell you a little bit about the project. Brand new development by Emar in Creek Harbour, which is the upcoming community of Dubai. Soon to feature the world's tallest structure, as well as a mall even bigger than Dubai Mall, with this apartment offering incredible views towards downtown, the Creek Harbour itself, sunset and rise, get a good amount of sun, and this beautiful beach which residents get direct access to. And the space between us and Creek Harbour here, where you see people driving, is soon to be a beautiful blue lagoon. So yeah, this apartment really is going to offer everything. So as we walk away from the private terrace and head into the living and dining area, let's finish the property tour. So here we've got open plan living and dining connected to the kitchen with space for a fridge and gas hob. On the right we have bedroom number 1 with access to that terrace, wardrobe space, and the bathroom is just to our right. But here we have washing machine space, space for storage as well. The bathroom for that bedroom, big standing shower, and finally we'll head into the master bedroom. Again, nicely lit property. There's no lights on right now, it's just benefiting from natural sunlight. Built-in wardrobe space and the master ensuite bath, shower, is in her sink. For more information on this great investment or end user property, please give me a call or a WhatsApp.